So guys, ito po yung part 2 ng BSRS creation. For those of you who are having trouble sa pag-fill out, then I will give you some tips. So just like that, fill upan nyo yung mga details. Region, province, city, municipality, barangay. Same as permit address yung current, if same. So just fill it out one by one. No need mo na fill upan yung farmer, beneficiaries. Then, can continue. So if ever hindi naman siya magko-continue, magpo-prompt naman yun kung saan yung kulang. And then guys, for the biometrics, I can't show it to you kasi etong si Irene ang is mother ko lang. So dapat personal siyang mag-register sa biometrics niya. Kukunan yung itsura, yung mukha niya. So make sure just follow the instruction. Just well lit, yung lugar, walang mga eyeglasses, anything. Napaka-clear naman ng mga instruction. Ito lang may advice ko, very critical. Make sure to make your BSRS account as early as in the morning, no, as possible. Kasi pag hapon na siya, medyo nag-error siya. So baka iba sa inyo, medyo nag-try na tapos panay error. So yun, dapat early morning siya. And then upload your supporting documents, privacy disclaimer, then katapos niyan okay na. I-verify ka na ni TESDA or yung account mo, i-verify nila, then eventually, mga after 1 or 2 days, ma-fully verified ka na, then your BSRS account is now active. Okay, thank you.